this is a demo to show you how to generate auto-expiring coupon codes, customer-specific auto-expiring coupon codes. And here's an example of one that we generated. We'll probably want to do a better coupon code than this. I just grabbed the word auto and then math.random, which is a JavaScript function that gives you the random. Anywho, but yeah, and then we're setting an expiration date to, in this case, I think we did 10 days out. So when I ran this test, the webhook trigger was the following payload. So the idea behind this workflow is that we're going to trigger this from another place, probably an email provider. Now, I was trying to do this demo with Klaviyo, but Klaviyo can send a webhook from within a flow, but they can't do anything with the data you send them back. So they wouldn't be able to pull in the coupon code we created. Flow also can't pull in anything from any flow variables into an email. This is a partial demo. Like we need to figure out how we actually wanted to trigger this and stuff like that in order to make it a complete solution. But the idea is that you're going to trigger this webhook and you're going to say, hey, here is a number of days out. So expire this coupon code 10 days out. And then we're passing in a customer ID that we want to do that for. All right, so we have to create an individual price rule, or what they'll show up in Shopify. They'll show up here under discounts as separate discounts. It'd be nice if we could have one discount and then a bajillion codes underneath it. But because we want the expiration date and the customer eligibility to be unique, we're going to need a unique discount, or in the API price rule, for each customer. When you're creating these here with this action, there's a lot of stuff in here that's complicated to figure out if you're trying to figure out how to create the type of discount that you want to create, whatever that is that you're looking to do, as far as applies to collections, percentage. All these fields are much easier to understand here than they are in the API fields. So the way I designed it is to actually just take an existing price rule, which in this case, I'm using this one as a template. So we're basically just going to clone this one for each of the individual auto-expiring coupon discounts that we're creating. And so that's the idea. We're going to clone it, and then we're going to change and that's what this custom code is doing. We're cloning that one, and then we're setting the title, which is the same as the coupon code. And we are changing the customer ID, and then we're changing the start at and the ends at. So start at today, ends at X days out from the current date. So that's what we're doing. And then we're creating that price rule. And then after we create that, we're just creating a discount code linked to that price rule with the same title. So that is pretty much it. And like I had said, this was an example of one of those auto-generated guys. And you've got that there. You've got all these details here, however you've wanted to set that up. And you've got that specific customer that we passed in the ID. And you've got the active from there based on the 10 days out that we plugged in. So yeah, so that's the idea there. You can find this on the automation demos section of the blog. And you can download that workflow and mess around with that. If you need any help setting that up, feel free to let us know. We'd love to help you out. And that's about it, man. Have a good day.